Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper origami jersey or something like a t-shirt. So for this you'll need a square piece of paper and you're going to start out with folding like this. And you will crease really well. Make sure it's lined up and then you're creasing it. And then you're going to open it up, take this side and fold it to the center crease we've made. And then, once you've done that, you're just going to, again, crease really well. Then take this side and fold to the center crease. Once you've done that, you're going to take this and you're going to fold it in half. And you're going to crease really well. Once you've done that, you're going to open it back up, take this side and just crease it to the out. This should line up right here. And then you're going to do the same thing. Just going to go to here, out this whole part, and like that. And you can kind of see your t-shirt forming. Now you're just going to take this side and you're going to fold it up. You're going to make sure you have creased it all really well. And if you want to make it a jersey, or depending on what you want to make it, you can draw a design or just write a number, like maybe 14. Or you can draw some flowers or different things. And now your jersey is pretty much ready. Here are your origami shirts or jerseys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel and share our videos. Once again, thank you so much. Bye!